Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the official unboxing of the OnePlus 15 here on My Project 13. Folks, I am excited to have this device in early. It was supposed to come on Christmas. Then I got an update that it was going to show up tomorrow on the 23rd. Today's the 22nd, and here it is. FedEx truck pulled up into my cul-de-sac, and I was like, wait a second, that's a day early from the update. But you know what, folks? I'll take it, and I am loving it, man. It's just got this sick look and feel to the back of the device. Now, the back is a plastic fiberglass material. I've been reading some information. I've watched a few videos that the back can scratch somewhat easily, so I would definitely sport a case. You really don't want to find out if it does or doesn't, right? Now, what I'm liking is that the color of this device, the Sandstorm, is the same, not just on the back and the camera island, but all the way around that aluminum rail as well. It's just one color, and I am digging it. I love these type of devices that don't have a different look to the aluminum rail in comparison to the back of the smartphone. Doesn't mean I don't love my other smartphones, but this is what I prefer. Now, during the intro, I set up the plus key that is replacing the physical alert slider, and wasn't too happy about that. But we know in the smartphone world, this happens all the time. Something gets removed, something new comes along. Sometimes that new goes away and that old comes back. So we'll see how the plus key does over time. It is what it is. So during the intro, I quickly set it up, showed you the options, and what you do is long press, because I got it set up to ring, vibrate, and no sound whatsoever, which is silent. So long press, you get ring, long press again, vibrate, long press again, silent. So yeah, I'm going to like that. And it's probably going to be a little more on the safer side when it comes to physical areas that degrade over time. The integrity of that area is probably going to be better than the alert slider, even though I've never had any issues with the alert slider physical area. And you can let me know down below if you've had any issues with an alert slider on your OnePlus smartphone. At the bottom, speaker, mic, USB Type-C charging port, SIM tray up top, mic, speaker, earpiece is going to be right in there, flat LTPO AMOLED display, and that just looks gorgeous, man. That is, wow. Just overall digging the design, the unification of the Sandstorm color on the sides, top, bottom, and all through the back with that camera area. It's just, wow. And I love that feel. Really, really do. One of the biggest areas within the device itself is a 7,300 milliamp battery. I'm sure that I'm not going to have any issues with battery life.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
That's going to be an area that I'll test out and I'll share with you. Obviously, the cameras on the front, back. By the way, you do have a screen protector, which is film, protecting the LTPO flat AMOLED display. So that's really cool that you get that pre-installed screen protector. Huge shout out to OnePlus for that. Get the cable, you get the wall charger, the SIM key. Too bad we don't get a case. I do have a case that I'm going to put on here in a little bit because, well, I want all the protection that I can have for my new OP15. Now, I did bring in the 16 gig of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. We have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Got a vapor chamber underneath the hood here. You got Oxygen OS. My experience in the past with OnePlus is great. It's a thumbs up when it comes to a really well optimized experience. Oxygen OS gives me the ability to customize my experience with my OnePlus smartphones, and I am digging that I'm going to get that here on the OP15 as well. Obviously, there's going to be what I do through the reviewing process. Please let me know what you would like from me. Definitely going to challenge this up against the S25 Edge and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So lots of videos, lots of pictures, lots of information during the early morning vlog, updating you through that style of video that I do here on the channel, which is me going to work early in the morning, driving on the freeway, sharing update after update after update. So if you're going to skip the early morning vlog, you're going to skip a lot of information that you're going to need to know on any of the smartphones that I bring in, because sitting here at my desk and sharing a lot of that with you doesn't happen very often. I just do so much better in the car. And I don't script anything. So for me, just going off the top of my head and sharing my experience is what it's all about.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Let me give you a quick tour in the settings area. Got dark mode on. So it's nothing that you haven't seen before. And that is just freaking smooth. Really, really smooth. Actually, I want vivid. I like cold. And image sharpener. It's because I watch a lot of movies and videos. So I like to boost everything, man. Everything. Rotate. Auto rotate. Screen resolution. I want that high, sharper image. And the refresh rate, 165 hertz. Now, that's basically when you're gaming. You're going to be at 120 hertz when you're not gaming. There's a selected group of games that you can use on your OnePlus 15. And once you start using those games, it's going to kick into that 165 hertz. And so if you have this device and you're a gamer, let me know how that is doing for you. And let me know if your OnePlus 15 is staying cool while you're throwing a lot at it when it comes to gaming. Most of you know that for me, it's editing. I do a lot of editing for the channel on all my smartphones outside of using the cameras and taking lots of pictures and shooting video in 4K. So, so I'm going to expect this device to handle itself and give me what I need to give me the experience that I need for the money that I paid. Obviously, connectivity has to be there. T-Mobile is my carrier for my phone calls and texts to go out and come in. So everything has to come together. And I just want to give you updates that are positive. But if there's anything I run into, I will definitely share it with you. But right now, just hands-on, man. This is sick right here, man. It really, really is. I am loving it. I am digging it. And I'm sure that I'm missing something in this initial first video unboxing for my OnePlus 15. So you can just ask down below if there's something important that I should have mentioned and you want an answer to, and I'll do my best to answer that. I did get the OnePlus Watch 3 43mm there. I'm going to give that as a Christmas present. So my watch is still working, my Samsung watch. So let me get, what What case is this? This is the Poetic Guardian from Poetic. And huge shout out to them for sending me, again, the Poetic Guardian magnet for MagSafe, OnePlus 15 black, clear, brand new. We have to have. This is something new here. Screen protectors from Poetic for your OnePlus 15. Now, I'm not going to take off the pre-installed screen protector, but these are going to be my backup. So this is really cool that Poetic is putting this in their packaging with their cases. I don't know if that's something that's going to, if they're going to do going forward all the time. But I'm telling you, if you have the OnePlus 15, bam, do not purchase a tempered glass screen protector if you want that instead of a film screen protector.
Thanks for your support. Love it. Share it. You got some social media down here that you can follow Poetic on, as far as like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You got X and TikTok. Some information on the back, installation guide on how to put the case on. So you can scan that QR code as well to watch the case install. But I'm going to do that here. I'm trying to go a little quicker than I normally do.
At the bottom right-hand corner, there is a gap there that you're going to take your thumbnail and separate the frame from the back part of the case, which is a hard plastic see-through back. You got TPU all the way around, corners protrude out, lots of shock absorption if you were to drop your OnePlus 15 on the ground. Magnet for MagSafe, huge cutout for the cameras. Definitely going to have some TPU grip. Wait, that way. Poetic brand name on the sides. You got the volume rocker, power button, and your plus key area there. So yeah, good looking case. I have reviewed many of these cases for different smartphones, and we're going to pull that off. And we got one on the inside too. I don't know. Oh, there we go. And you got a couple screen protector accessories, one for each of the tempered glass screen protectors. And again, thank you so much, Poetic. Huge thumbs up. Huge shout out to you. And here is the frame, hard plastic polycarbonate frame. Nice. I'm going to put over the top. What's nice is I'll still be able to see the sandstorm color on the back there. What you want to do is start at the bottom like this at an angle and work yourself up. You don't want any gaps with the back part of the case and the frame of the case. Hard plastic polycarbonate frame. You can see the recessed area there for the earpiece. Yeah, that is nice. Really, really nice. Volume rocker. And I love it when I have protection for my investment. Freaking fast. Look at all of that lip. Folks, can't go wrong. Setting down on a flat surface is a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, well, you might scratch up that screen protector, maybe. Use your discretion, folks. On the back, lip and depth surrounding the cameras. You got these little feet, all four corners, to help actually keep the back of the case just above a flat surface. That's pretty cool. And there's that see-through back. That is really, really nice. Yeah, it's not going to be easy to scratch up that see-through back either because those little feet. And it has a little bit of depth all the way around the edge of the back too. Again, some depth, lip surrounding those cameras. If you're going to sit down on a really rough surface, and I mean really rough, I would invest in a camera glass lens protector. I'm going to look into that myself, even though I don't sit down on really rough surfaces. I usually sit down that way anyway. So you have mic right in there, speaker cut out right there, which is really deep to keep crap out of there. And you got this flap here protecting the USB Type-C charging port. So everything exposed that needs to be exposed. And with the flap open, you can expose the USB Type-C charging port. But that's important, especially for those of you that work in a rough and tough environment and there's a lot of stuff flying around. So it won't easily get in there. And there's the top speaker. There's the cutout for the top mic. Let's get to, bam, my Anker wireless charging pad. Bam. Little magnetic strength. Spin. The device itself doesn't feel too heavy either. With the case on it, it adds a little bit, but not too much. What I'm going to do is go over to YouTube and do a quick speaker comparison just for the fun with my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL and my new OnePlus 15. So let's go here, City Lights, and where are you? There we go. Free non-copyright music. Okay. They both sound great to me. Okay. I'm going to end the video. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. I'm ready to go, folks. I am ready to go. Appreciate your time, your love. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow me on this journey with the OnePlus 15. God bless you all. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Peace. I am out, and huge shout out to Poetic for the Poetic Guardian.